And what's up, gang? Huh? What's up, everybody? And today's video is just me venturing, doing mainly some doing my own little recording of my own car, and with all the different little tools I got. So I'm gonna label it in the video as as you guys are watching, and I'm out here doing what I'm doing. So other than that, get a good look at that. We don't get too much a good look of her up under the hood. You know, a little special little something up under there. You know, see that right there? You know, look at that, y'all. Got this right. You already know that I've been there for a minute. That's up in there. The thing performs pretty good. Pretty good. I would say this performs really good. This here helps me. You see what I did? I put that color there. That color there helps me get extra 100 horsepower out of that. I am, woo, extra 100 horsepower, y'all. You know what I mean? You guys know what I mean? With that set, huh? Yeah. So like I said, I'm about to do some more crazy recording, as I'll say, as I'm zoomed in on myself. Whoa. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know you guys got to. But yeah, let's get into it. We about to get this cold start. Can't do the cold start because you know the way Nas got this going. Gotta close the hood. Might see in some of the next few videos I'm gonna be up recording, this here is gonna be off after a while. So as you start seeing me doing other videos during this off season, hopefully I'll get some car reviews in. I have to check these dealerships out. I mean, I combed them online, but you know, a lot of these places don't update their sites, so I have to like stay on the lookout for something. Or even if you guys see something that's local around here, willing for me to drive all different, we got Dodge, Mercedes and those guys, I have to try to like hustle them to get them to let me do some of their cars. But other than that, Dodge products, pretty much, I mean, I'm rolling up in the Dodge, so you already know they're gonna let your boy do a Dodge. I mean, certain dealerships give you the keys. Some of them, they don't give you the keys, they just unlock it for you. It is what it is. I ain't gonna stress it out. I'm still making a video. That's still the content for you guys. I'm bringing to you guys, you know. So anybody got like a new car or something, they want to show it off, you can use my platform. I'm willing to come out, post up with you guys, record, do a video, talk about how you like it since you got it and everything. There's all this it's that fall stuff. But with that said, we're about to get into this, y'all. Enjoy this little cold start. You already know. You already know. My Sony ZV-1 or ZU whatever 1 camera. This thing here is wonderful. I like it. So this is one of the things I use. Besides my phone, my drone, my GoPro. But like I said, I'm gonna label it as I'm recording the car so you guys get different. It's gonna different video. None of it is gonna be photo or video to make it look high, whatever. However it's recording, that's how I'm uploading the same way. So the quality is gonna get different. I do upload in 4K and do record in 4K. So we're gonna see the difference of it as you keep going. Other than that, guys, I hit you guys when I turn this camera back on. You ain't gonna hear me, you can just see me recording. So I'm gonna pick a nice location. I'm gonna use nature because she's giving me this good sun. Somewhere. Maybe I get interrupted by people who knows they see me out here, you know, that's what it is sometimes when you're doing things like this. Maybe some cops want to interrupt me. Maybe not. They kind of like me. I ain't too out here making the neighborhood roaches or whatever. But yeah, it is what it is. we about to get out here, guys. Enjoy this day. It's your boy Charge 17 3.0 coming at you guys with another great video today. And yo, share these videos. Definitely subscribe while you're looking at it. Definitely subscribe. I can't say it enough. Subscribe. Subscribe. Tell your friends, your family, your co-workers, everybody, subscribe. Because we're still in 2021 and we're still going up. Going up. Up. We're going up like Tesla be saying, right? Sky's the limit, y'all. It's the limit, y'all. Look at that. I can reach out and still can't touch it. Probably go to space, still can't touch it. Still keep going. So you know what that means. Hit that like and subscribe, everyone. Comment at free will. It's your boy again, coming at you guys with another one. Holla.